We're going to the Cliffside Coaster at Mount Hoevenberg.
Yay!
Welcome to Mount Van Hoevenberg. We're about to board the Cliffside Coaster, right?
Yes.
Yeah, doing it.
Yeah.
I look like Rick Moranis, but I don't care. You might enjoy the footage in a little bit, I hope. Yep. All right.
There you
Thanks,
are.
brother.
Seatbelt's on the right hip.
All right, here we go.
Now look down to your left, which is the finish straightaway of the old sliding track that was used for both the 1932 and 1980 Winter Olympic Games.
Nice.
If you think of historic sports venues from around the world like Wimbledon for tennis or Indianapolis for auto racing, this track on the left is world famous in its own right. Two Lake Placid residents Curtis and Hubert Stevens won the two-man gold medal in 1932 games, and listen to what they said after they won their gold medal.
Very wonderful trip down the slide. However, it's the thrill of the sport rather than the victory that really counts.
This is really, really cool. Really cool. Hey, how you doing? Thanks. Here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, now get ready for your ride down this historic track. You'll be going over the top of the same track used for both the 1932 and 1980 Winter Olympic Games.
This is so cool.
And they're off down the long straightaway above curve
Go,
one.
full throttle. Hammer down, baby, hammer down.
Taking the curve, approaching curve two, taking curve two, through, on the way to Cliffside. Approaching
Little bit of
Cliffside, taking Cliffside. Cliffside is a corner combination of 3, 4, and 5. Through Cliffside, and on the way to curve 6.
Yes.
Approaching curve 6, taking the curve through, on the long straightaway above curve 7. This is where the sledge really started to accelerate.
Whoa. Woo. Holy cow, this is awesome. Awesome.
Approaching 7, taking the curve through 7. Down below us is the straightaway to curve 8. Approaching 8, taking the curve through 8, on the way to Big Shady.
Oh my God.
Taking the big curve at Shady, through, and on the long straightaway above
Nice.
the west. Shady is one of the
Nice.
most famous curves in the world, and the reason they called it Shady,
Yes.
it always was covered in shades to protect it against the sunlight. The G-forces in that curve were incredible. Approaching Little S. Taking the curve through the S on the way to curve 12. Taking the curve through 12 and on the way to the world famous zigzag curve.
Nice. Ziggy zaggy, ziggy zaggy. Oi, oi, oi.
Zigging, sagging.
Nice.
What a change of direction at 75 mile an hour plus. Huge crowds used to be in the zigzag area, and for good reason. Through zigzag and on the way to curve 15. Taking the curve 15 on the long straightaway above the finish curve. And now we're going to enter a 360-degree curve we call a Kreisel. Only 2 Olympic tracks ever had
Wow.
one of these built, including the new one in Beijing coming up in 2020. Now you're approaching the finish curve, taking the curve through and down.
He said slow down.
Taking a bobsled ride is called
okay.
the Champagne of Thrills. And if you like what you just did, sign up for the real deal, the ride on ice in the winter.
Freaking cool. Some buckle.
Yeah, go ahead.
Nice. Thanks.
Go ahead, man.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
Hold them down! You're holding them off.
Floor it.
Taking a bobsled ride is called the Champagne of Thrills. And if you like
Floor
what
it.
you just did, sign up for the real deal, the ride on
How was it?
It was fun.
It was fun?
That was funny.
Nice. I thought it was pretty awesome.
Who said you were breaking?
Me? Oh, I thought you was asking me to break more. That's what you asked.
What do you mean breaking?
That's what I thought.
Wait,
He's going,
when?
go faster, go faster, go faster. He's trying to go faster.
Wait, you're
supposed to break towards the end. You weren't supposed to go too fast.
Yeah.
yeah. If I
Yeah.
slowed down because you guys were all getting out.
Yep.